Hello friends, welcome to our channel Digital Ravi. Today we are going to explain you how you can configure your Google Ads conversion e-commerce tracking with a Shopify website. It's very simple and I will explain you step by step. So let's get started. First of all, we will need to log into our Shopify back admin panel, and once we will log in, we have to go to setting option, which we can see in left bottom. Once we will click on this, we will get an option of checkout. We have to click on this checkout option, and then we need to scroll down. From here we have an option of additional script. This is the place where we need to place our tracking code so that it can be recorded the purchase events. So now how we are going to place this code here? We will get this piece of code from the Google Ads. So let's go back to the Google Ads account, and from tools and setting we need to click that. Under that we have an option of measurement. We have to click that. Then conversion, so we need to select the conversion. Now we will create a purchase tag here, so we can configure them with our Shopify website. So let's create a purchase tag and select the website option, first option. And from the category section we need to click this to get the drop down, and from that we need to select the purchase option, and let's name it as a purchase, or you can name it as you want. Under the value we need to use different value, because if we have multiple product on website and every product can have dynamic value or different value, so we will choose this one. And under the count we need to select every, because a single user can buy multiple times or multiple purchases, so that is the fine, and all other settings will remain as it is. Just create and continue. Once we will create and continue, we will get an option. So we are need to click the first option, and can just click here, and they will provide us two piece of the codes here, which we can see. One is the global snipped, and second is event snipped. So what we need to do, we need to install this global snipped on all the pages of websites. For that, first of all we need to copy this, and we need to go back to our Shopify back panel, and as we were in the checkout under the settings, so we just need to paste this piece of code here and just click the save. So this global tag will get now trigger on thank you page only, but we need to add this code on all the pages. For that we will have to go to the online option from the left navigation, sorry, online store from the left navigation. Then we will need to select the theme, and once theme will be get selected, we need to click here action button drop down, and from that option we need to select the edit code. So now we can see a templates file. From the left navigation you need to click on theme.liquid file, and under that file we have to place our global snip code. So let's copy this again. I think we have already copied this, so let's copy, and we just need to place under the head tag as per their instruction. So you can find this head tag by Control F and opening bracket head, and we can search it and we can see it is here. So we just need to place our global snip just below the starting head or at the end of the head. You can place either in the starting or end of the head tag, so both place are perfect. You can place here also. So let's save this. Right, so now we have installed the global snip on all the pages of the website. Now we need to install the event snip. So let's go back to our setting from the left bottom option, which we can see here. and we need to click on the checkout, and again we need to scroll back to our events additional script option. And now what we need to do, we need to go back to our Google Ads account, then we will need to copy this additional snippet, that is we call an event snippet. So we just need to copy it and paste them first. You need to go and paste them in your notepad. And what we need to do is that we need to replace our, I will provide you this piece of script which you need to add as an event script. You can find the link of the same in description of this video. So let's just copy this, and you just need to place this code in the additional section of Shopify website. And after placing it, what you need to do, you just need to replace this advert ID as well as this label. So from your account, what we get is, this is the what we have get. So we just need to copy this part of value from here, and we just need to replace our ID and label here. So right now we have replaced them, and all other things will remain as it is. So you just need to copy this script from the link which I will provide you, and you just need to replace your event script, ID and the label which you will get from your Google account while creating particular purchase tags. Once it is done, just click next and done. That's it. And in Shopify, we just need to go back and we just need to click save. And we are done now. Now we are going to test this, how this is going to record our conversion or not. So let's go back to our Shopify website. This is our test website. So let's refresh this and enable our tag assistance. If you have not already installed this tag assistance, I will suggest you to install. This is an Chrome extension to verify if your tag has been installed properly or not. And we just need to click here to enable this. Once we click enable, we need to refresh it to make sure that it's get enabled. Now, so we are on the product section now, and we will click on this product, and let's click on add to cart, and view to the cart. Then we need to proceed for the checkout. And after that, we have to enter the details. We will enter a test details because we are buying a test from our test website. So let's test mail@sam.com and test India state 201. We need to add the zip code, and we will need to add the coupon code here in order to make this shipping free. So I think it is a cash on delivery, so we are not required to add the coupon code. So let's continue to the payment. Yeah, cash on delivery. So let's complete the order. So now we can see our thank you page will soon appear here. As you can see, order has been successfully placed, and we can see all our thank you pages here. And we just need to click our tag assistance which we have installed, and we need to click our Google Ads conversion tracking. You can see the conversion value of this product has been recorded, as well as we can verify the label if it is the same which we have created for our tags or not. So we can make sure that yeah, it is the same tag. Yeah, so this is the same conversion and it has been triggered the conversion, and within 1 to 2 hours the status will get changed from the unverified to no recent conversion in red color. That's mean your tracking has been set up correctly, and once you will receive any sale from the PPC, you would be able to find these sales as well as conversion value in these fields and column. So guys, this is all about how we can set this all up. So see, let's summary it, conclude it. We just need to get the global tags and place them in additional section of checkout option, as well as on all the pages from this theme option. And we just need to place the event snipped on this additional script option, and we need to replace this label and ID with our conversion tag. That's it, and save it, and this will work for you. In case you face any issue or trouble, please comment me inbox. I would definitely reply you. And if you like this video, please do not forget to share, subscribe, and like it. And we will meet with you in another video. Thank you for now. Bye bye and take care.